Yeah, you can go to the next experiment.
So my next experiment is Newton's ring, wavelength of light. So here they gave enough provision. We can able to select the medium by clicking the combo box. Either I can able to keep it as air, water, acetone, isopropyl alcohol, or kerosene. So initially I kept it as air. Even I can able to change the light source also. Here sodium weapon, then neon, green light, and red light. So according to our own view, I can able to change it a medium and as well as the light source. So
yeah,
here,
excuse me.
the rate, yes, madam.
We require this sort of flexibility in that experiment also, right?
Okay,
so
definitely,
yeah.
we will give the feedback to Amrita University.
Maybe you can contact the Amrita Lab team and ask them to improve.
Sure, madam.
Okay.
Madam, excuse me, madam. So for each experiment in the tab itself, they have given a feedback. So about the experiment, what are the things to improve like that, madam? So since you people are doing this experiment, you know the real-time challenge and all compared to. So since we in engineering we are not actually doing this experiment.
Yeah, you are confined to ancillary experiments, right?
Yes,
yeah.
yes, madam. Yes, madam. Since you are doing, I request your faculty to go through the virtual lab through some login, and what are the things needs to be modified, you can also suggest, madam Amrita.
Yeah,
so
surely update. You'll surely update. We'll give your feedback. I will ask my teammates to give that feedback, and we will definitely send it to you.
Yes, madam. Please, madam, 1 minute. I will show what is where to give the feedback.
Yeah, you can. So we can go into the experiment later, and we can talk about feedback.
So here, So this is the thing they have. So what are the things to be modified?
Yeah.
Did you experience that problem? They will immediately look into it.
Yeah. We will definitely send our feedback.
Okay. Thank you.
So in Newton's rings, we are going to find the wavelength of the light, so that we have a lot of options to change the medium as well as light source. So now I fixed it as air, and the light source is sodium vapor lamp. Once I switch on the light, you can able to get the circular fringes. Here the radius of lens is given directly. Even I can able to change the radius of lenses by sliding this button. So up to 100 centimeter, I can able to change the radius of lens. So rest of the things are same. Once I got the clear image, see that if we have a focus, the fine focus tuner over here, by clicking the down arrow mark and upper arrow mark, so that I can able to adjust the microscope focus here itself, or else I can able to use this slide so that I can able to adjust the microscope focus. So once you got the clear image of the circular fringes, I'm going to change the position. As we know very well, we are going to fix the crosswire on the dot ring. According to our formula, dm plus n, I think so. It is from N25 or N27. I don't know how you are, in your college, how you are performing, madam, either by increasing 2 or 3, madam.
That we can have according to our convenience, depending on three fringes.
So likewise,
that is not going to fix the result.
So once we are going to fix, once we are getting the clear circular fringe, we are going to fix the microscope on the left hand side. So here n plus 21, for example, I kept it over n plus 20. Then by changing the microscope position by using right hand arrow mark, I can able to move towards right hand side. So n plus 18, I will take the reading from vernier main scale, main scale reading and vernier scale coincidence. So by keeping this value for N20 and N18, N plus 16, N plus 12, N plus 10, likewise, once you are completed, move towards the right hand side, then n plus, yeah, we are moving into right hand side. The same n plus 2, n plus 4, n plus 6 up to n plus 20 by taking the difference so that we can able to find the diameter. From the diameter, we can able to calculate the variation in fringes, I mean the bandwidth. So by using the bandwidth, we can able to find the lambda.
Improve the precision of vertical crosswire, right?
Sorry, madam. Yes. Obviously, madam. The vertical crosswire is not seen clearly.
Yeah.
Yesterday we gave a feedback about this, madam.
Yeah.
Even in spectrometer, we got the clear image of crosswire, but in this experiment, we couldn't able to find the crosswire actually. Once you are changing the light source of light, I think
yeah.
It's better, madam. I think so, right?
Yeah, I think for green it looks better.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
So we can able to perform using this. So according to the light source, directly we can able to get the result also, madam. According to medium also. That's it, madam. Thank you. Thank you all. If you have any doubt, madam.
Excellent presentation.
Kudos
to you and the team.
Thank you, madam.
This is Dr. Hema from Queen Mary's College. We've actually been doing virtual labs for our students.
Okay.
Amrita site we've already used. Sonometer experiments, some laws of transverse vibration, all we have done. Really, it was too good, but we were really worried that the number of experiments were too minimum. But I'm so happy that you were able to do experiments on spectrometer with so much of precision.
Yes, madam. Yes.
I will definitely get in touch with you, sir, because we want to be made a compulsory subject. We did this virtual physics for 3-4 years continuously for our students.
Okay, madam.
And it's really useful. Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you, Dr. Radha. Really, you've done a very good job. Thank you.
I'll hand over my session to Dr. Senthil Kumar, sir, for head of the department. Sir.
Madam, so these are the experiments we have prepared, madam, for today's webinar. So if there are any overall doubts, clarifications, the forum is open now. Participants, please raise some fundamental questions. So time being, you are not having any username or password. Only if you are having username and password, you can perform the simulations. So for username and password, we will arrange. So we will send through madam. Okay. So we need some personal details like the name, designation, and your email ID like that. So those details we will ask you. You can, if you submit within 1 or 2 days, we can provide the username and password. Hope all these details will be available with the organizing committee. So we will definitely provide you. So to perform the experiment, you need desktop computer. So in which there should be flash player like that. So you need to install that. So once you install and use the username and password, so you will be capable of doing all the things you have done. So actually this kind of workshop should be conducted in person so that you can clarify your doubts. So so this is the way we are trained by Amrita University. So actually Amrita University came to our college itself. They have given hands-on session to around 100 faculty like that. So if there is a chance, we will conduct that kind of workshop also. For time being in this COVID situation, so that is impossible now. Okay, so you can. So within 1 or 2 days, we will provide you the login, username and all. So you can do. So if you have any doubt, you can raise through mail also. So my mail ID I will share at the end of the session through the group. So Senthil Kumar C at vmkvec.edu.in. Similarly, Sethupathi sir is Sethupathi at vmkvec.edu.in. For Sakti Gadanabedi sir, it is Sakti. So those things we will share with you. And your username and password also we will create with the support of Amrita University. So apart from that, if you have any doubt, you can please raise your queries.
Personally,
And,
thank. Can you hear me, Senthil?
Madam?
Can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, it was a really it was an exciting journey, moving through virtual space, performing different experiments. We will certainly send our feedback to you, which you can forward to, Amrita Labs, so
Okay,
that they
madam.
can improve upon these experiments, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we would like to have a hands-on experience on performing these experiments. Definitely, when the
Okay.
situation improves, we will definitely look forward to have such an opportunity in future.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, it was-
Hello, madam. We do not hear now, madam, anything. Excuse me,
Pardon?
madam. So now only I hear. Okay. Please, madam.
Yeah. It was. I think I'm indebted to the management, the Vinayak Missions Kripanandar Engineering College, for arranging this webinar at such a short notice, and we will look forward to augmenting this interaction in different branches of science, probably in biological sciences and chemical sciences also in future. We will send a request from our end shortly to the principal, and hope we can
Okay,
have
ma'am.
such meetings in different branches of science also.
Okay.
So I think I request my fellow colleagues to interact and get their doubts clarified.
Okay, ma'am.
Silence is an indication that participants have thoroughly understood, right? I think there are no more doubts. Participants, I think they are keeping silent. Presume that they have understood. In case of any doubts, we'll ask them to contact you.
Okay, madam.
Okay,
Definitely, madam.
Thanks once again for a nice interaction and for an experience of a different kind, moving to virtual space. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So I once again thank Dr. Radha, madam, and Dr. Rosie, principal of Government College for Women, and our principal, Dr. A. Nagappan, for giving us this opportunity to discuss with you. Actually, this paved the way for us to know more experiments. So apart from our regular experiments, all our faculty, we sat and discussed like that. For the past 3 days, we were doing that. So thank you for providing this opportunity. Thank you, madam. So we will definitely support. So whatever things you need regarding virtual laboratory. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Senthil.
Thank you, madam.
So I think it is time to close the meeting. Okay, thank you.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you, madam.
அது அப்படியே ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சா? ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுங்க, ஸ்டாப் ரெக்கார்டிங்.